NxTAG is another of Luminex's technologies. NxTAG is the next generation of NxTAG. NxTAG is designed to be simpler, faster, and more comprehensive. It has a streamlined workflow that reduces the risk of contamination with improved clinical performance, analyzed by new software.
The first step in the NxTAG workflow happens after the nucleic acid has been extracted from the sample.
Luminex recommends a nucleic acid extraction system like the bioMérieux eMAG. Step 1. Sample addition. The NxTAG plate is stored in a silver pouch with a notch for easy tearing. The plate itself holds 96 preloaded sealed wells in 12 8-well strips. The strips can be removed or even cut to scale with demand, from 1 to 96 wells. Each well contains LBR, or lyophilized bead reagents. All the reagents for the assay, primers, DNTPs, polymerase, beads, and reporters, are lyophilized or dehydrated into these beads. Having everything already in the plate reduces waste and streamlines the workflow. Here is the rehydration of the LBRs when the sample is added. One of the beads contains the PCR reagents, and the other holds the microspheres for hybridization. After samples have been added, the sample wells are resealed with a foil strip.
Step 2. Transfer the plate to the thermocycler. The cycling lasts a little over 2 hours. Once complete, the beads have hybridized to the target sequence. There is no post-PCR handling. The plate stays sealed.
Step 3. Acquire samples on MagPix. Place the plate on the plate carrier. Begin the run. The MagPix probe pierces the foil for acquisition. Synced software, including the NxTAG app, is installed on the MagPix PC to analyze the data acquired by the MagPix instrument.
These are the 3 steps to the NxTAG workflow. Step 1. Add extracted sample to the NxTAG plate. Step 2. Perform PCR and hybridize the beads in a thermocycler. Step 3. Acquire the assay on MagPix and analyze data with the NxTAG app for synced.
NxTAG is the next generation assay from Luminex.